go. Check out these LS swap old school car burnouts with me. But before we do that, I want to ask you a question. How would you like to know how to do an LS swap in an old school car that run like this? I'm satisfied, you too. 72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. Looking at maybe almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on the dyno yet, YouTube. We did our own wiring. And we show y'all how to do the wiring, YouTube. Step by step. We did our fuel system. We show you how to do the fuel system as well. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. Now let's swap, baby. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? Let's get it, YouTube. There you go. What's up? What's up? There go Mike in the race car. First round towing in the race car. There you go. Ooh, look at it, boy. Ooh, man, we smoking up the city, boy. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. Yeah. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. LS swap, baby. You too. Y'all see him, man. That's it right there. Yes, sir. Chevys R Us, baby. Hey, y'all make sure y'all gon' click that subscribe button. We gon' bring y'all the footage. You too. Let's see what's up. We over here checking out Mike. Some of Mike projects. Got a Charger on the 26s. Go to Monte Carlo. Got the Monte Carlo SS. This the race car. This the race car. This the race car right here. And there go the man himself right there. First line tone.
What's up, King?
What going on with you, King? Yeah, that's it. And this it right here, YouTube. Got this thing. Woo. Here go another race car. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. YouTube.
Yeah.
I'm out here. I'm out with my boy Mike. Got the Monte Carlo SS. Hey man, that thing ready. Just did a little work to it. Let it go for a little test drive in it. See what it pulling like. Tap that gas one time, right? Woo! Boy, that thing sound like a race car. So we'll be back in a minute, YouTube. All right, Mike, dog, man. Talk to us, man.
Yeah, man. YouTube. Thank you for checking out my boy Tony Tone, Chevys R Us.
Hey, now let's talk about you, man. Let's talk a little bit about what you got under the hood, bro.
Man, it's just those small block 388 stroker, Fords internals, Illuminati cam, roller rockers, roller studs, ARP head, bolts all the way through. Keep it secure.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Sound like the works, man.
Yeah.
Hey, man, I don't know, man. Hey, this sucker run good. You too. Hey, it's race car, y'all. Headers, no power steering. You ain't got to do nothing but put the pump on there, man. That's it.
Yeah, man.
I mean, put a belt on there. The pump is already there, and your connection's already made. Shoot, if I was you, I'd throw me a belt on it.
You don't put power steering on muscle.
Oh,
Yeah. I like to slide across the road.
Yeah, okay, then it's easy to turn. Okay, you want to hold it straight. Yeah. Hey, man, do me a favor, man. Go ahead and crank it up for the YouTube real quick, man.
Crank it up.
Huh? No. Just crank it up. Get it a little gas. Finna hear what this thing sound like, YouTube. Race car. Y'all heard that? Woo, that thing rip up quick, boy. Tap it one more time, Mike. That's American muscle right there, baby. Ricky Bobby who? What? Hey, Ricky Bobby who? Throw them hats out. What?
Hey, man. Support the local drag racer, man.
Hey, y'all see it? YouTube? Hey, y'all see it? There it is.
Yeah,
That's all.
the track, not the street.
That's it. You too. Don't make too much noise pulling out.
No, you know I ain't.
Cause this the real deal.